3 cinematic sound effects for your next video. Cinematic thunder. Powerful thunderclaps that add dramatic impact to scenes. Ideal for building tension, highlighting dramatic moments, or creating a sense of impending danger. Cinematic sub-bass drops. Extremely low-frequency bass sounds that shake the speakers. Ideal for creating a sense of impending doom or ultimate impact, adding depth and power to crucial scenes. Cinematic atmospheric Brahms. Brahms with a wide atmospheric spread. Perfect for creating a sense of vastness and depth, enhancing the spatial dimension of your scenes. We've helped over 20,000 video editors on YouTube elevate their sound design skills. Now it's your turn. Get your free sound effects pack today. Click the link to download yours.